Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most stylish and practical storage solutions for kids and families, the CLOCOR rectangular storage basket. Whether you're looking for a gift, organizing your home, or simply need a fun and functional way to store toys, clothes, or other items, this football-themed basket might be the perfect choice. First off, this basket is the ideal gift for any football fan or young sports enthusiast. With its adorable rugby ball design, it's not only a useful storage solution but also a charming piece of decor that will brighten up any kid's room, nursery, or play area. Its unique football-inspired look adds a playful touch to your space while serving a practical purpose. Measuring 14.9 inches in length, 10.2 inches in width, and 9.8 inches in height, it offers the perfect amount of space for all sorts of items. Whether you're storing stuffed animals, clothes, books, or even pet toys, this storage basket has you covered. The size makes it especially great for a large Easter basket or any seasonal gifting occasion, and it's compact enough to fit on a shelf or beside the bed. One of the standout features of the CLOCOR storage basket is its durable construction. Made from a combination of linen and canvas, with a waterproof PE coating on the inside, this basket is both lightweight and sturdy. The material ensures that your items stay safe and dry, even if there's a bit of spillage or moisture nearby. It's easy to handle, easy to clean, and easy to fold away when not in use. What makes this product even better is its versatility. It's not limited to being just a kid's toy organizer. You can place it in the bedroom, living room, kitchen, or even the bathroom to store anything from dirty clothes to towels, blankets, or seasonal items. Its neutral rugby print also makes it suitable for a wide range of decor styles, so you don't have to worry about it clashing with the rest of your home's aesthetic. And when it comes to functionality, the CLOCOR basket is incredibly easy to maintain. Although it might wrinkle a little due to shipping, it can be easily smoothed out with a steam iron, restoring its shape and making it look brand new. Plus, it's collapsible, which makes it simple to store away when you're not using it, saving you precious space. At a price of just $10.99, down from the typical price of $13.99, this storage basket offers incredible value for money. Whether you're organizing toys, clothes, or just looking for a gift that's both thoughtful and practical, the CLOCOR rectangular storage basket is a great choice. In conclusion, this rugby-themed basket is a must-have for anyone in need of stylish storage options that also serve as decorative pieces in a child's room or play area. It's functional, durable, and affordable, making it a perfect addition to any home. So, if you're looking for the best football basket for a gift or just need a handy storage solution, be sure to check out the CLOCOR rectangular storage basket. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews. See you next time.